Welcome. In this video I will show you how to pair Apple Pencil Pro with your iPad Pro M5. So this process is extremely easy. Just swipe down the control center of your device, then tap right here, tap on Bluetooth to enable it, and then simply attach the magnetic side of the pencil to the top of your iPad, and it will be automatically paired. Now if you go to your Bluetooth settings, you will see that Apple Pencil Pro is already on your devices list, so you can use it right away. By the way, you can also charge the pencil this way just by attaching it to the top side of your iPad. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.